And thank you so much for joining us. I'm Jelly Victor. I'm your host for this afternoon. Now, there is a very good reason why we have quite a crowd that's gathered right in front of the stage. We've got friends from the media. We've got all these fantastic blogger friends. They are joining us here this afternoon because they want to be witnesses, just like you, like we are inviting you to what I've already mentioned, a very important day for Huawei. Now, this is a brand, this is a name that I'm very sure everyone is already familiar with. You've been hearing about it from friends and family, you've been seeing it all around, and there is a very good reason why Huawei is making such an impact in the Philippines, because ever since its arrival into the Philippine market, Huawei has created what you would refer to as very remarkable strides. They do this to keep the consumers involved and fascinated. And they're able to do this through amazing design innovations and product upgrades. With that, ladies and gentlemen, they are able to keep giving Filipinos ways to have very exciting and fun ways to communicate. And I'm sure all of the fans of Huawei can agree with me in those things. Now, this afternoon, the main reason why we have invited all of you to be here is because Huawei is making a bolder step. Yep, they're taking it a notch higher. Through its Make It Possible campaign, the brand pushes beyond the limits of technology and creativity. This is to offer ways to touch base and express one's individuality and get connected in ways that are more entertaining and definitely rewarding. And the first Huawei Experience Store that opens today embodies all of those that I just mentioned. To delight the senses, to break boundaries, to connect lives, and make it possible.
Jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. The past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. And so we'll dream until we make it free. And all I see is stars. It's not until we fall that you dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning us to gold. And we'll dream it possible. I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until we fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning before that you fly. When our dreams come alive, you're unstoppable.
Mr. Jose Vega. Everyone is ready for this. The excitement is building as we are about to introduce to all of you the very first experience store of Huawei in the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, witness how Huawei makes it possible. Experience store of Huawei right here in the Philippines. Now, I'm about to lead you to the store, but first, I've got some great news for all of the fans of Huawei and everyone else that's right here at the SM Mall of Asia. We've got a store opening promo. Check this out. It's happening just today, where you can get the Huawei X1 at a super reduced price. Huawei X1 has an ultra-slim 7-inch body, making it the most slender tablet, while its fast LTE connectivity, advanced quad-core chip, and FHD screen provide the multimedia experience whether you are playing, sharing, watching, or surfing. Originally, the Huawei X1 is priced at $15,990, but because of a very, very special event that we have happening this afternoon and today, it's been reduced by 40%, or you get 40% savings, a sale price of $9,590. I don't know about you, but that is a great deal. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause, please, for Huawei and the Huawei X1. Wow, from $15,990 it is down to $9,590 just for today. 40% savings, that's equivalent to $6,400. We're all very, very excited. You have very good looking, very talented guests joining us for the opening ceremony. We're bringing up this honor once again to call Huawei Technologies the Philippines dynamic leaders to meet us in the ribbon cutting and their first Huawei experience store. Now, first, we would like you to join us right inside the first Huawei Experience Store here in the Philippines. I can see that everyone is already very excited to be right here to have a first-hand experience of the first Huawei Experience Store here in the Philippines. Yeah, it is now officially open. Welcome. And please see how Huawei has integrated its corporate philosophy and its spirit of innovation in its Experience Store. This is the first one in the country, ladies and gentlemen. And for all of your posts on social media, once again, please use the hashtag Huawei Experience Store PH. I'll wait for everyone to walk right in so I can tell you all about this magnificent Experience Store of Huawei. Again, we're inviting you the minute that you get in here, we're inviting you to check out the different products, all of the different gadgets. Just in case you didn't know, we have a Huawei watch. Explore that a little bit later on. That's the fantastic thing about being at the Huawei Experience Store, because you get to experience every single one of the Huawei products that's in the market.